Get ready to be astonished in this video, as we'll be discussing a revolutionary trading strategy created by ChatGPT that could potentially be the best strategy out there. As a large language model trained by OpenAI, ChatGPT has been equipped with immense knowledge and expertise in various fields, including finance and trading. With this knowledge, ChatGPT has developed a trading strategy that utilizes cutting-edge technologies and advanced algorithms to help traders make informed decisions and optimize their trading outcomes. In this video, we'll take a closer look at this strategy and explore why it has the potential to outperform other trading strategies in the market. We will also make our own changes to the strategy so that you get more accurate trade entries. I'm going to be explaining this strategy on a Bitcoin chart in a 15-minute time frame. You can use it on Forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, and stocks. This is what our chart will look like when we are done setting up our indicators. I'll quickly cross these out so I can explain everything from the beginning. This strategy given to us by ChatGPT uses 3 free indicators. Let's add our first indicator to our chart. In the Indicators section, we will search for MACD and add this moving average convergence-divergence indicator to the chart. This is a popular technical analysis tool used by traders to identify trend changes and potential buy or sell signals in the financial markets. It consists of 2 lines, the MACD line and the signal line. The MACD line is calculated by subtracting the 26-day exponential moving average from the 12-day EMA. The signal line is a 9-day EMA of the MACD line. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it is considered a bullish signal. And when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it is considered a bearish signal, and traders may consider selling. The MACD indicator can also be used to identify divergences between the price and the indicator, which can indicate potential trend reversals. Now let's add the second indicator to the chart. The next indicator we need to add to the chart is called the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is a technical analysis tool used by traders to measure the strength of a stock's price action. It is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements ranging from 0 to 100. An RSI reading above 70 is considered overbought. This means that the stock may be due for a price correction or reversal. RSI will be used as a secondary confirmation indicator in our strategy. Lastly, we will access the Indicators section one more time and search for a moving average. Add this indicator to the chart also. ChatGPT mentioned that we should use a moving average with the length set at 20. So let's access the indicator settings and change the parameters. I'll also change the style of the moving average a bit according to my liking. You can do whatever you like. Traders use moving averages to identify potential trend changes and to determine support and resistance levels. For example, if the stock price is above the moving average, it may be considered a bullish signal, indicating that the stock is in an uptrend. And if the stock price is trading below the moving average, it may be considered a bearish signal, indicating that the stock is in a downtrend. Now that our chart is set and we know how we will read these indicators, let's go through the rules for entering a trade through this strategy. By the way, if you guys are interested in amazing free buy and sell trades, make sure to join my Telegram group. The link is in the description. The trading rules suggested by ChatGPT are as follows. In step 1, we need to determine the trend direction using MACD. This means that we should look for a crossover of the MACD line and the signal line. As explained earlier, a bullish crossover occurs when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, indicating a potential uptrend. And a bearish crossover occurs when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, indicating a potential downtrend. Once the trend direction is identified, the next step will be to confirm the trend using RSI. We basically need to look for oversold or overbought conditions on RSI. Readings below 30 indicate oversold conditions, while an RSI reading above 70 indicates overbought conditions. If the trend direction is bullish, we have to wait for oversold conditions to enter a buy trade. And if the trend direction is bearish, we need to look for overbought conditions to enter a sell trade. So this is the basic concept of the strategy. We tried to find a valid trade entry that would meet these requirements. However, we couldn't find many. The RSI simply does not get oversold or overbought at the retracement to the moving average, but when it does, the trend direction is completely changed. In order to fix this, we need to access the settings on RSI and change the length from 14 to 10. We also need to adjust the RC upper and lower bands to 60 and 40 accordingly. In addition, the moving average length will be changed from 20 to 100. This way, we make sure that minor price fluctuations do not affect the longer-term trend once the changes have been made. We can start looking for buy and sell signals. So in order to enter a buy trade, the following conditions must be met. First of all, the price must retrace to its 100 moving average. This is necessary to make sure that we're not buying overbought stock. Then we want the RSI to be oversold during the price retracement. After that, for another confirmation, we will need the MACD to issue a bullish cross, and the cross needs to happen below the zero line. This is very important. Finally, at the time we have a cross, the price must close above the 100 moving average. As all the conditions are fulfilled here, we will enter the trade at a bullish candle. I will open a buy position at this candle. According to ChatGPT, we will set our stop loss below the recent swing low. And you can adjust the stop loss to break even once the price has moved in your favor. Our take profit ratio will be set at 2 to 1, and you can see this would have been a profitable buy trade. Now let's go through one more buy trade example. Here's another example. Watch how all the rules are met. We can see the price retrace to its 100 moving average. The RSI was oversold during this retracement. Then we look to see if the MACD confirms the trade with a bullish signal. And finally, we can see that the price is closed above the 100 moving average. So we will enter a trade when a bullish candle is formed. Set our stop loss. And for a risk to reward ratio of 2 to 1, this would have been an amazing profitable buy trade. Now let's go through some examples of a sell trade. For a short entry, all the rules are going to be the opposite. To begin with, wait until the price has retracted to its 100 moving average. Then take a quick look at the RSI. It must be overbought in case of a sell trade. The next step is to check to see if we got a MACD bearish cross, and it must be present above the zero level. Lastly, make sure the closing price is below the moving average at the time MACD gives a signal. Place a sell order, preferably at a bearish candle, and set the stop loss at the recent swing high. Then set your risk to reward ratio target 2 times, and the market would have hit our target after some time. If you want similar buy and sell trades for free, make sure to join my Telegram group. The link is in the description. Here's another sell trade example. We can see the price made a small pullback towards its 100 EMA. During this retracement, the RSI was overbought. Then we got a bearish signal from the MACD indicator, and the price is below 100 EMA. So I will open a position at this bearish candle, set my stop loss at the recent swing high, and set take profit target to 2. And you can see after some time the market would have hit our target, and this would have been a profitable trade. I hope you have understood the strategy properly. If you learned something from this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.